Samsung didn't announce these changes at a keynote, and most tech channels completely missed them, but your phone just got quietly smarter. With a few taps and good luck, you can unlock features that save minutes every day, expand your camera powers beyond what you thought possible, and even redesign your home screen in ways Samsung never intended. Some of these tweaks could change the way you use your phone forever. Before we dive in, if you love uncovering hidden tech tweaks that brands never tell you about, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with friends who need a smarter Samsung, and subscribe to the channel. We dig deep into the little-known features that can completely change how you interact with your device. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Samsung's Goodlock app has always been this magical, under-the-radar tool that most people glance at but never explore fully. At first glance, it's just another customization app. But once you dig in, it quietly transforms your phone. And today, I'm going to show you 3 settings that are not just helpful, they're game-changing. These aren't just nice-to-have tweaks. They're the kind of changes that redefine your daily workflow, make your camera feel like a pro device, and give you control over your home screen that Samsung never intended for most users. Let's start with the most deceptively simple feature, screenshots. We all take them, and we all instantly regret some of them. The default process for deleting a bad screenshot is tedious. You open the gallery, find the image, select it, delete it, and sometimes repeat if you take multiple screenshots in a row. It's a small frustration, but over weeks and months, it adds up. Goodlock's Nice Shot module completely flips this on its head. Once you download and enable the delete button option, every screenshot you take instantly shows a tiny delete button on screen. Tap it, and the screenshot disappears immediately. No gallery navigation, no multi-step deletions. It's intuitive, instant, and oddly satisfying. What's fascinating is how this tiny tweak quietly reshapes your behavior. You start experimenting more with screenshots, knowing that mistakes are only a tap away from being erased. Now, if that feels small, wait until we talk about camera zoom. Samsung's stock camera interface limits you to 2x and 3x zoom buttons. Any further zoom requires the clunky pinch gesture, which is imprecise and frustrating when trying to capture a distant detail or a moving subject. But hidden in Goodlock's Camera Assistant module is an understated feature that gives you extra zoom buttons. Tap 3x, and suddenly you see 10x, 20x, and even 30x options at your fingertips. This isn't just a convenience. It fundamentally changes how you interact with your camera. Suddenly, telephoto shots aren't intimidating, landscapes become richer, and even casual photography feels more professional. Over time, this small tweak subtly trains you to explore angles and compositions you'd never consider with the standard camera interface. It's like turning your phone into a mini DSLR hidden behind a simple toggle. The third setting is for your home screen and dock. By default, Samsung only allows 5 favorite apps in the dock. For casual users, this might be enough, but if you rely on multitasking or have a workflow packed with productivity and media apps, 5 just isn't enough. Goodlock's Home Up module allows you to expand that limit up to 9 apps, and the dock resizes dynamically to fit your screen. This tweak doesn't just save a few taps, it completely changes the way you navigate your phone. Your most used apps are always accessible, your workflow becomes faster, and you start using features you previously ignored simply because they weren't convenient to access. Over time, it's like the phone adapts to your behavior, making daily use smoother, faster, and more personalized than Samsung's default interface ever intended. Here's the interesting part about all these tweaks. Individually, they're small, but collectively, they hint at a deeper shift in Samsung's design philosophy. Instead of forcing a rigid default experience, Goodlock is giving power users control over the system in subtle, almost hidden ways. And when you start noticing these changes, you begin to realize just how much potential your device has been hiding from you. Imagine if every Samsung phone silently included these features by default. You wouldn't just have a better phone, you'd have a smarter, more efficient ecosystem that evolves with your habits. But there's more under the hood than just these 3 tweaks. Goodlock has modules for animations, notifications, multitasking layouts, edge lighting, and even gesture control, all of which can be fine-tuned for subtle improvements that are barely noticeable at first, but profoundly change your phone's behavior over time. For example, subtle tweaks to notification pop-ups or app transition animations can make the interface feel faster and smoother, even if no spec sheet ever mentions it. And some of these tweaks, if used together, create a cascading effect. Your phone feels almost predictive, responding to your habits in ways Samsung never advertised. What's particularly intriguing is the potential these tweaks hint at for the future. Samsung's software is quietly evolving. Today it's about screenshots, zoom, and docks, but tomorrow it could be about AI-assisted layouts, predictive app suggestions, or even personalized battery optimizations that respond to the apps you use most frequently. These small, hidden features are like the tip of the iceberg. They reveal a design philosophy that prioritizes user adaptability and hidden efficiency over flashy headlines. And for those willing to explore goodlock, it's a rare glimpse into Samsung's quiet innovation. So, if you tried these 3 settings today, you're just scratching the surface. There are dozens of other goodlock modules waiting to be explored, each promising small but cumulative improvements to your daily experience. The question is, which hidden feature will have the most impact for you personally, and how far will Samsung push these quiet optimizations in 2026? Dive in, experiment, and keep a close eye on updates. You might uncover a tweak that completely changes your device experience in ways you never expected. I want to hear from you. Which of these goodlock tweaks blew your mind the most? Are there other hidden modules you've discovered that deserve attention? Comment below, share your experience, and watch this video again. You'll probably notice details you missed the first time. Samsung's subtle changes are always evolving, and who knows what hidden feature will surface next. One thing is for sure, the more you explore goodlock, the more your phone starts feeling like it was built just for you, quietly adapting, silently improving, and waiting for you to discover its secrets.